Hey friends, we are on our week 8 of science this week, and we're going to be going over levels of organization. Don't forget you're going to go to modules, and then after you go to modules, you're going to go down to week 8. Always remember, start with your week 8 instructional video. This is where you can find tips for how your module can go smoothly. Here's all of your attendance for the week. Remember, we do not have school on Friday. Yay! Okay, so here we are at our content video notes. You are going to have 2 videos that you will need to watch. Here's the first video, and here's the second video. While you're watching those videos, remember you can pause the video and go and type your notes in your Google Drive content video notes area. So remember, you can click right here to load your notes, and then you can pause your video, type some notes, and continue watching. You will have these 2 videos to watch this week for your content. Then you're going to go back to your week 8 module. After you complete your notes and click submit, it is going to open your week 8 exit ticket. Remember, you must complete these in order for them to open, okay? So after you complete your exit ticket, you are then going to go to your activity. Your activity is going to open after you do your exit ticket. We have your activity, and then we have a fun game within this activity that you will get to play. After your activity and your game, you're going to go ahead and do your week 8 assessment on levels of organization. Of course, don't forget that we always are giving you a social emotional activity and some fun brain breaks. We know it gets kind of tiring looking at the same thing all day long, so come check out some of these fun brain breaks. If you have any questions, email your teacher. Everything will be due on Friday. Have an awesome week.